Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing and quick review of the Plantronics Blackwire C620. It's actually more an unboxing. It's a second unboxing. I have already made an unboxing and a review where you find also the sound quality from the microphone. I will put down the link into the description if you're interested into the sound test. So quick and dirty from my side. Sound quality is really good. What I liked, it was the wearing comfort, sound quality, everything. It's really good. It has a duplex function, so it's one of the only headsets where you hear your own voice while you hear same time other people. This is really rare. If you like to hear yourself, your voice, and also other people, then and still don't hear other people like in the same room too much, yeah, that's actually an awesome thing. I would like something like this with bigger earpieces to protect better your ears, but it's lightweight, it's comfortable, it's a good thing. So the quality of the Plantronics Blackwire 620 is really good. The only downside is that it's really small, so it doesn't fit for extra large heads. It's good for small and medium. I think, yeah, medium it should also fit, but large or extra large it does not fit. If you have a large head, doesn't fit, so don't buy this one. So I bought this from TechRabbit. Here you see the thing where they were shipping it from, and that's actually my second shipping because I bought it on their website. They have it listed for about, I think, $15 used, refurbished, and $16 new. So I can't recall actually the exactly price, but it's around that, $15 refurbished, $16 new, or $17 new, something like that. So it was no brainer for me to buy new. But when I opened the package, you can find the first unboxing as well on the internet, on YouTube. Then you will see that it's definitely not, it was not a new one. I got a refurbished one instead of a new one, and I was complaining and I was disputing the payment on PayPal, and they helped me. And actually they said I can ship it back and we'll get a refund, which I did. But then they sent it same time, the TechRabbit, they sent a new one. So now I have to deal with that and see how it looks. If this is really a new one, they confirm me that this is a new one, and so I'll see how this is. The thing is, when we open the box, it's same thing. It does not have a sticker or something like that. It's not sealed. So for me, that's the first indication that's again not a new device. And when we look inside, what do you think? I mean, I think it's not a new device. I mean, the cable, it is a little bit in better condition. This is close to manufacturing. What they do usually manufacturing, when manufacturers do the packaging, I would say it's close, but it's not. So as you can see here, it doesn't like the, I don't know the name for that, windings, I don't know. Yeah, so when it does not have same length, so it's definitely not made by like a machine. So this is just, it looks a little bit better, of course. They put some extra effort to make it look like maybe like new, but it's not new. Something like this is not new. Here you can see this is not new. Plantronic, when they sell the thing, and it's quite a expensive thing, they sell it for about $80 or so. They don't package the things so cheap and dirty like this. no way, no way. There's no, I mean, I would need to have other expressions which I can't use on YouTube, but this is nothing. Of course, they have found something which, like these extra ear pads, which are maybe still new or in new condition, and the headset itself doesn't look too bad, but I mean, this is way from being new. It's in good condition, I would say. The first thing had, I think it was some kind of plastic on the side, which this one does not have. I think I can't find this plastic. So obviously the person who used that removed the plastic. Oh no, here we have it. Oh, sorry, I was wrong. Here's still the plastic. So that's actually good. But for me, it doesn't look like really a new device. This is not a new device again. So if you want to buy a refurbished one from TechRabbit, it's good. I don't mind. But if you think you can get a new one for almost same price as refurbished, doesn't work. So here you can see, by the way, so how far you can pull it out. I hold my finger here and you can see how far it is. It is not really far. They could have done a better job. I don't know why. I mean, I had the old thing. This is the successor of the thing 220. I had the 220 and that was way bigger for bigger heads, like large or extra large, no problem at all. So that was one of the reasons I bought this, because I thought, yeah, it's the same manufacturer, the same series, just a new higher number. So I would expect that they stick with same size. That I can't. It's hard to believe that they reduced the size, and they reduced it a lot. I mean, it was super comfortable for me, the other thing, but not this one. So I don't know now what I'm going to do, because again, doesn't look like new, and especially when you look at this thing here. So tell me, people, is there just somebody here who has the impression that this is new? I think no, not a single company in the world would do something like this. They have this, and they have this for an $80 headset. No F word way. Yeah, I can't tell you more. By the way, this is the thing here. We have the mute, we have the volume up, down, and we have the call button which you can call, use to call somebody or to hang up. The icons or the buttons are a little bit small on the old one. They were bigger. I don't like these small things too much. Without glasses, I can't even see what it is. Of course, it's standard USB plug, which is good, and you don't have to set it up. When you can just plug it in and use, and it will have really good quality. I mean, good sound quality, good, I mean, excellent, actually excellent microphone quality. I have really no issues with that. The quality of the headset is really good. It's just small. This thing here is not very flexible. I mean, it doesn't adapt too much to the angle of your ears. So that's a little bit limited. And as you can see here, there's not much flexibility. This a little bit too limited, maybe for $80, but at least it's really comfortable to wear. And if you like these things, they are even a little bit more comfortable, and they allow to listen even better to other people which are in the room, like when you are talking to other people on the phone with the headset and you want to ask somebody to answer a question in the room same time with this thing. Usually it's a little bit better, but it's not needed because it has this duplex functionality where you can hear the person on the other side and yourself, and also of course other people. I think it has a little bit of noise cancelling, whatever it is outside, but yeah, usually voice the sound like noise cancelling is coming from the large earpieces. These are not so large, so this headset is better like if you don't want to have full protection from any sound around you. This is just, like I would say, intermediate protection, but the good thing really, you can hear yourself and you can understand the other person. So I mean, yeah, I think I have said everything, even more than once. That's 11 minutes, probably more than enough. Again, if you want to hear the sound quality from the microphone, there's the other link, I mean the other video, or which I've already done. I'll put down the link into the description. You can listen to that easily, and apart from that, yeah, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. And if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.